Mullanthandu Meedu is located in the Idukki district and it is an off-roading adventure like no other. Of course, you need a robust 4x4 machine to get you out there. It's not for the faint-hearted. And since I had my hands on the Gloster, I figured, why not make it a day about having a great adventure? Before I set out, here is a quick rundown of what the MG Gloster packs. It is a true embodiment of luxury and power, starting with its striking SUV design that commands attention on the road. Its bold and imposing presence is complemented by a lavish cabin that exudes opulence with premium materials and exquisite craftsmanship. Under the hood, the Gloster boasts a formidable engine that not only delivers impressive performance, but also ensures a smooth and refined driving experience, making it a formidable player in the SUV segment. As you hit the highway en route to the Idukki district, the MG Gloster's power-packed engine comes to life, with its 2-liter twin-turbo diesel engine producing an impressive 216 PS of power and 478 Nm of torque. The Gloster effortlessly cruises along the highway, making long-distance travel a breeze. The adaptive cruise control ensures a safe and relaxed journey, allowing you to focus on the picturesque landscapes passing by, and you have the added comfort of having ADAS on board for that extra layer of safety. I'm about halfway to my destination, and as I make my way up Bodhi Ghat, the Gloster has shown me a whole different side to it. After all, it is a massive SUV, it's plush, it's comfortable, and now I've learned that it's also great to drive in the hills and it just handles like a charm. It is a big SUV, but the steering is light, it's really well weighted, and it makes driving in the hills a rather enjoyable experience. The MG Gloster's handling prowess truly shines when tackling challenging terrain like Bodhi Ghat. Despite its size, this SUV exhibits remarkable agility and stability as it maneuvers through twists and turns with confidence. The suspension system effectively absorbs bumps and undulations, ensuring a comfortable ride for passengers even on uneven surfaces, making it a formidable choice for those who seek an adventure off the beaten path. The slick 8-speed automatic is also a boon and ensures you're in the right gear for the climb. However, if you want a more exhilarating experience, switch to the manual mode and use the paddle shifters. Well, driving up the Ghat was a fun experience, and I do have a bigger one waiting for me. But before I get there, I've got this amazing stretch of tarmac to deal with. It's called Gap Road and it runs from Bodhi Metu all the way to Munnar. I won't be going to Munnar on this trip because the cutoff to Mullanthandu is a lot earlier. And that's where I get to switch into 4x4. But let me not get ahead of myself. I do have a really neat bit of road to deal with. This stretch is scenic and beautiful and goes through some of the tea estates in the area. The Gloster has already proven to be such a delight out here too. Venturing onto the winding roads that snake through the lush tea estates near Pupare is where the MG Gloster's handling prowess truly stands out. Its responsive steering and well-tuned chassis make navigating this stretch such a breeze, offering a thrilling and engaging drive experience. The panoramic sunroof allows passengers to soak in the scenic beauty, making every twist and turn a memorable journey. Well, I finally reached the cutoff to Mullanthandu. And don't be fooled by this little bit of tarmac that you see over here, because this is where I actually leave tarmac and the drive gets rather interesting. I'm going to be heading out to the hill viewpoint. It is a couple of clicks from here, and it is where the adventure truly starts with the Gloster. It is a steep climb up to Mullanthandu, and the road is a narrow path that is rutted, gutted, and got a lot of rocky sections. The MG Gloster is equipped with advanced off-road features, including multiple terrain modes, namely snow, sand, mud, and rock, which make it easy to deal with the rough stuff. For the initial climb, I had the Gloster in mud mode. It was predominantly a dirt track with a couple of slush pits, and as I made my way through this part of the extreme journey, the Gloster just pulled through with such ease, it was extremely confidence-inspiring. As I snaked through the path and dealt with the tall grass, I finally made it to the top of one hill and now just had to traverse down a rocky incline before doing the steep climb up to Mullanthandu viewpoint. Here I switched to rock mode and just allowed the Gloster to crawl through this section. It took some skill, and despite the large rocks jutting out, the Gloster made it over without even touching the bottom once. That is a testament to its ground clearance. For the final climb, what was required was oodles of torque, and like I mentioned earlier, the Gloster comes with 478 Newton meters at its disposal, and this made this vertical climb almost a walk in the park. Yes, there was some slipping and sliding, but it just pushed on and I finally made it to the top. I finally made it to Mullanthandu Meadu. I mean, just look at this place. It's picture perfect. It's a landscape like no other. And yet, it is also an adventure like no other. I'm glad I had the Gloster for company because this drive was nothing short of a daredevil adventure. And this vehicle just pulled through effortlessly. Mullanthandu is a hidden gem that requires a solid SUV to get to. It is a remote destination that offers breathtaking vistas of untouched natural beauty. At this point, I am currently at 6,000 feet above sea level, and the tranquility and stunning panoramic view is the perfect spot to take a break. Looking back at my drive to Mullanthandu, I really don't think I could have made it here right after the rains when the ground was soft and wet unless I had a vehicle powerful and robust enough for the task. The Gloster has undoubtedly proven its mettle as the right vehicle for the job, and it wins you over on all counts. That is my big takeaway from this adventure. The Gloster has so much going for it, be it the spacious cabin, powerful engine, amazing on-road mannerisms, and of course, its ability to deal with the rough stuff. Add to that, it is feature-rich, safe. Yes, it comes with ADAS. And the bottom line is that it also ensures that your journey is not only thrilling, but also comfortable and enjoyable. Well, to sum it up, the Gloster delivers an exceptional experience. It isn't just a vehicle, it is your perfect adventure companion.